Hello friends, my name is Divani Rathod and I'm teaching you, as I said in last lecture, how we can use Python for mailing purpose. Okay, so let's see. First, I will show you the process for required for the mailing process. Okay, then next video I will show you how you can write the code. In in after that, in after that next video I will show you next video how you can create an app for mailing purpose. Okay, so let's start. First I just want to share my screen. Okay, oh, oh. So my name is Divani Rathod from AISMS. Okay, so let's see. First, required before going to the settings, the ports, I will just want to you have to know the SMTP which is required for password and ID creations. For that, go to the your email Gmail, yeah, Gmail account, and after that go to the account. First, okay, so just go to the security, then here two-step verification, go to the two-step verification. Okay, just manage it. After that, go to the password creation, write your what your just email ID. Here is here actually two-step verification on, then create a app password, create your app. Okay, SMTP login. There you get some password, so save that screenshot. Okay, I already done this process. So after that, uh, there they here this is the information is given for SMTP. Okay, this is ML in which sending limits are given. Okay, so a user can relay message to up to 10,000 recipients. Okay, then filters. This is the main part for this is actually required for us. There, this is the ports which is required for sending the mails. Okay, it when it is the SSL use 465. When it is TLS, then used 587. Okay, so dynamic IPs allowed to do static IPs. Okay, so via this SMTP, you can send the emails. Okay, whereas in your Google account, when you type SMTP, at that time this will gives you all information about the SMTP, so you can create. Okay, what will be the what you can use this, how you can use this. Okay, so all information is given that. So go to your account first, Google account, go to the security first, two-step verification, on your two-step verification, then create an app password. Okay, right here your password, whatever it may be, XYZ. Okay, so when you open this, you will see the lots of information. Okay, I don't want to show this. Okay, so this is enough for how you can use SMTP. Okay, for that reason. In next lecture, I will show you how you can email using Python, and after that, for the creation of the app for sending the email. Okay, so thank you.